Okay, we had to do it. In this one, we're gonna be going over pumpkin spice latte. Yes, I'm gonna drink out of the cup. Pumpkin spice, it's around in October. I'm doing it a little bit early just to get you guys prepared for pumpkin spice basic season. It's basically just this stuff right here. Pumpkin pie spice is what they call it. It's just hard spices mixed together, and you could put this in pretty much anything in pumpkin spice, whatever the f you want. I don't know why it's called pumpkin spice. There's no pumpkin in here. Okay, so first to prepare this pumpkin, I gotta cut the pumpkin. So cut the pumpkin open, then we de-seed it. You can also save those seeds for later. Just put them on a pan and toast them off, and it's a delicious snack. Anyways, after that's done, we go ahead and cut our pumpkin into equal sized portions, and then we steam them off in our steamer. Now I'm just gonna let these guys steam off for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now, while that is going in the steamer, I went ahead and started my pumpkin spice. It's very basic. All the spices that you see here, first I have to toast off my hard spices that are whole. Toast them off in the oven or on the stovetop, blend them up until they're fine powder, and then mix it together with all your other powders. And there you go, you've got a basic pumpkin pie spice. Once the pumpkin is fully cooked off, go ahead and take it out of the steamer. Peel that skin off with your hands. If it's too hot, you don't need to use your hands like me. My hands have no feeling. You can just use a spoon, peel it off, wait for it to chill off. Then you toss it into the blender with your spice. I have all the ingredients listed down below with measurements, by the way. And then some OG Longevity brand sweetened condensed milk. Look at it wiggle, Michael. Then we blend that up until smooth, just like this. And then we have our basic pumpkin spiced cream. You can also use this for anything. Make a dessert with it. I have many videos coming up with this very soon, so comment down below what you want to see with pumpkin. Okay, once you've got your puree ready, now it's time to make the coffee. Start with our puree in the cup. I will put all the measurements down below, by the way. Then we add in our shot of espresso and then our steamed milk. There we go. We've got a pumpkin spice latte. Now that is a beautiful cup of coffee. You could do it in one of these, which I think is kind of gimmicky, or just a regular cup like that. Ah, delicious. You gotta do the cup?
I'm gonna do the cup.
Basic.
Cheers. Cheers.
Always tap your glass after cheersing.
This isn't alcohol.
It's whatever.
I feel pretty basic.
This stuff is good though. That's what your fingers taste like after a
I'm not putting that in there.
That's what she said.